In these trying and testing times, when the nation is at war with an invisible virus, we believe that the time has come to celebrate human safety in all aspects of our daily life. In this context, Malcolm is happy to present a video series called Legends in PPE, which will feature the safety officers and environmental health safety managers across India's biggest factories and industrial units who are responsible for keeping thousands of workers safe so that production is carried on unhindered while keeping the wheels of Indian manufacturing running. We would like to express our gratitude of those selfless legends who are not only responsible for safety at workplace and industrial units but also ensures that the workers use the right kind of safety gear and personal protective equipment. In this episode number 4 or the last episode of Legends in PPE, we bring to you 5 such safety warriors and share their success stories with you. What does safety of a worker mean to you?
Safety for me at the workplace means absence of risks which can cause injury to persons working at site.
As per me, safety of the worker means worker has to do their work without any harm.
Worker safety means no any loss of body part at the time of working or occupational health.
Safety basically means to having a safe environment where a worker or any kind of a person who can work there.
How many workers are dependent on you for their safety?
The total manpower we have in our plant presently is almost near about 400, out of which 60 are on roll and the rest of others are on contractual basis.
Total workforce is the approx is the 8,000 employees are here. In the 50% ratio is the 50% permanent employee and the 50% is the contractual employee.
And total around 250 employees are dependent on me for their safety.
What is the most important aspect of your job?
Important aspect of my job is the developing safe culture by improving the employee risk perception.
We want to develop the culture after every changes in job. So we will change its job. Then in every industry, every location I am going.
The major aspects are risk reduction at the workplace and bringing in the culture of safety among the employees.
Most important aspect of the safety job is to provide a safe workplace for the workers, for employees to look after the safety.
आपकी नौकरी का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण पहलू क्या है?
सेफ्टी के कल्चर को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए हम प्लांट में सेफ्टी प्रमोशनल एक्टिविटी करते हैं, टाइम टू टाइम सेफ्टी एक्टिविटी करते हैं और सेफ्टी क्विज वगैरह में डाउन द लाइन जो वर्कर हैं उनको इन्वॉल्व करते हैं. जो उनके थॉट्स हैं लाइन पे जाके हम उसको जो भी वर्कर है काम कर रहा है तो वर्कर की इन्वॉल्वमेंट एक्टिविटी बढ़ाने के लिए हम लाइन पे जाके मीटिंग कंडक्ट करते हैं, उनको ट्रेनिंग करते हैं. ट्रेनिंग देने के बाद हम वर्कर से सजेशन लेते हैं. जो वर्कर का सजेशन आता है उसे उसी के नाम के साथ में वहाँ पे उसमें लाइन पे डिस्प्ले करते हैं. इससे क्या होता है जो भी आप इनिशिएटिव वर्कर के थ्रू जो भी रिकमेंडेशन आया है या जो भी सजेशन आया है और उसको उसके नाम के साथ डिस्प्ले करोगे या उसे उसके नाम के साथ आप इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे. जीरो एक्सीडेंट एंड जीरो फायर इंसिडेंट्स इज द इंक्रीज माई सेटिस्फेक्शन लेवल.
उसमें क्या है अपना डिसिप्लिन एक्शन रहना चाहिए सेफ्टी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में और पंचुअलिटी रहना चाहिए. टाइम से काम होना चाहिए और जो आदमी वर्कर को ट्रेन कर रहा है जी और वो ट्रेनिंग का इफेक्टिवनेस चेक करते रहना चाहिए.
Okay.
जो वो बराबर ट्रेन हुआ है कि नहीं.
Okay. In simple language, you can say that arrive safe, work safe, go home safe. With regard to worker safety, when worker believe safety officers are here for ensuring the safe workplace and sustaining the safety culture.
सेफ्टी अवेयरनेस हो जाए, वर्कर थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट लेने लग जाए और वो सीखे कि सेफ्टी अपने लिए है.
The way you take the places and explain all these things to the worker, they are much more knowing about those things. They are because they are not having exposed to such kind of things. So you are explaining those things to them they are much aware about how the things happen in plant, in industries, and what kind of a hazard and what kind of equipments we can use it from the prevention. So these things are carried out by you. That is very, I will appreciate very well. So I think it is a very good initiative from you.
Thank you for watching Legends in PPE. Stay inspired and stay safe.